Have you ever stared at a multiple-choice question and felt completely lost? Or maybe you've been tempted to choose C for Christ or D for divine intervention. Let's ditch these old tricks and dive into real, proven strategies to master multiple-choice exams. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to boost your scores and tackle even the toughest tests with confidence. Hi, how are you doing? Today, we're going to explore the most effective and well-founded strategies to help you excel in extensive multiple-choice exams and achieve the best possible results. Strategy 1. Scan the entire exam. When you first get your exam, you're likely still fresh but maybe a bit anxious. Instead of diving straight in, take a few minutes to quickly skim through all the questions. This will calm your nerves, give you a sense of the exam's difficulty, and allow your subconscious mind to start working on the questions. For example, noticing that an encyclopedia mentioned in question 4 is from the Enlightenment era can help you with question 57. So, strategy 1 is: at the beginning, quickly scan the entire exam. Strategy 2. Use the power of your subconscious. Imagine you're stuck on a really tough question. Instead of wasting too much time, move on to the next one. By the time you come back, your brain might just have the answer ready. This happens because your subconscious continues to work on the problem, even when you're focusing on something else. So, strategy 2 is try, forget, and return. Strategy 3. Watch out for tricky questions. Trick questions are a staple in multiple-choice exams. Read each question at least twice to catch any nuances, especially negatives like not or never. Also, be wary of absolute terms like always or never, as these are often incorrect. So, strategy 3 is learn to spot the traps. Strategy 4. Logical elimination techniques. Here are 3 logical concepts to keep in mind. 1. Just because a statement is true doesn't mean it's the correct answer. 2. If 2 answers are almost identical, they're usually both wrong. 3. Don't assume one of 2 opposite answers is correct just because the other is wrong. So, strategy 4 is double-check carefully. Strategy 5. Mini reviews. Don't wait until the end to review your answers. Reviewing page by page helps catch mistakes when you're still relatively fresh. And if you have time at the end, a quick overall review won't hurt. So strategy 5 is perform mini reviews. Strategy 6. Use probabilities to your advantage. If you're confident about most of your answers, use statistics for the ones you don't know. For instance, if you haven't picked many B answers, consider choosing B for the questions you're completely unsure about. But remember, only do this for questions where you have no clue at all. Strategy 6 is leverage probabilities. These 6 strategies are simple, yet powerful tools that can elevate your test-taking game. Remember, the key to scoring well is not just knowing these strategies, but putting in the study hours and preparing effectively. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on how to study better, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day of studying and be a better student. See you soon.